inyong lahat, mga brothers and sisters. Bago natin umpisahan lahat ng ating programa ng gabi, ay nais ko pong paabot sa inyo na kinagagalak ko ang pagpunta nyo ang lahat na dito at sana mag-enjoy tayong lahat. At marami nagtatanong kung anong ibig sabihin ng asosasyon natin ito. So, gusto ko lang sabihin at ibigay ang konting mensahe tungkol dito sa asosasyon natin para malaman ang karamihan na hindi pa nakakaalam. So, ang Kababaihang Rizalista Incorporated is strongly motivated by the honest belief that women can contribute a lot in the development of society, given the chance to harness their potential for leadership in and out of their homes. In 1958, Dr. Severina Luna Orosa, as well-known Filipino physician, indefatigable civic worker and staunch nationalist, though organization runs into a socio-civic organization known as the Kababaihang Rizalista Incorporated, that is incorporated at Security and Exchange Commission on April 29, 1959. Starting as a small group of 20 women, charter members, 2 life members, and 18 regular members. The organization was officially recognized by the Order of the Knight of Rizal, patriotic organization of men by number 62 Orosa, KGCR, who fully subscribed to the ardently supported the propagation of the ideals, teaching, and writing of Dr. Jose Rizal. And weeks on September 27, 1958, allowed the holding of the First National Convention of the newly formed organization. During the convention, Dr. Encarnacion Anzona Educator was elected first president of the organization. Dr. Orosa, the founder, became its second president. From the small group of 20 women, the organization is expanded into a big group opening its chapters not only in the Philippines but in other parts of the world like Canada, Hong Kong, and the United States and Europe. Since 1958 up to the present, the Kababaihang Rizalista continued to work in harmonious alliance with the Order of the Knight of Rizal, in venerating the memories of the national hero and in propagating his ideals, teachings, and virtue, and remain a civic patriotic, cultural, non-sectarian, non-partisan, and non-racial organization. The Kababaihang Rizalista Incorporated Parish Chapter was duly approved and legalized last August 6, 2008 by our National President, Lady Bernardita Lizardo, at her office at the Manila headquarters in Intramuros, Manila, Philippines. So, lastly, as elected as your President, Kababaihang Rizalista, I welcome all of you, the visitors, friends, and Kubimos. Sana mag-enjoy tayo lahat ngayong gabi. And hope to look forward that this organization shall prosper and hopefully achieve its objectives and purposes. So, Bienvenidos, sana lahat mag-enjoy ngayong gabi.
Salamat, Lady Marie.